Hi, this is Presh Talwalkar. In this video, I'm going to teach you a math trick of how to divide numbers by connecting the dots. Let's say you want to divide 133,342 by 121. While this looks like a challenging problem, it will be a cinch if you divide by connecting the dots. To start out, we're going to draw dots for each digit of the number that we want to divide by. Starting with the digit 1, we're going to draw 1 dot. For the next digit 3, we're going to draw 3 dots. We're going to continue drawing dots corresponding to each digit of the number that we want to divide by. Once we've drawn all the dots, we're ready to connect the dots. The number we're dividing by is 121, so that means we want to connect 1 dot to 2 dots to 1 more dot. Starting from the far left, let's connect 1 dot to 2 dots to 1 more dot. We'll continue doing this for the remaining dots, connecting 1 dot to 2 dots to 1 more dot. And we'll continue doing this. We'll continue connecting 1 dot to 2 dots to 1 more dot until all the dots are filled in. Now we can count out the number of completed figures we have to get to our answer. So starting with the column on the far left, there's 1 completed figure that starts in this column. So we write a 1. Moving 1 column over, the first 2 dots correspond to a figure that's already started. It's only the 3rd dot that counts for a new figure. So in this column, we also have 1 figure that starts out in this column. Going to the 3rd column, all of the dots correspond to figures that have already started. So there are no figures that have started in this column. And finally, in the 4th column, we can see the first 2 dots correspond to figures that start in that column. So that's a 2. We can now take these numbers to get to our answer, which is 1,102. And you can check that's the correct answer. This is an interesting method, and what's even more interesting is we can use it for algebraic expressions. So let's say you want to divide 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 by the quantity x plus 1. We're going to start out by drawing dots corresponding to the number we want to divide by. So for 2x squared, we draw 2 dots. For 3x, we draw 3 dots. And for 1, we draw 1 dot. For the number we want to divide by, x plus 1, we need to connect 1 dot to 1 other dot. So we'll start out with the dots in the figure. We'll connect 1 dot to another dot. We can do that 1 more time. And for the remaining dots, we can draw 1 more line. Now we can get to our answer by counting the number of figures that start in each column. For the column on the far left, there are 2 figures that start in that column. Moving 1 spot over, there's 1 figure that starts in that column. So that gets us to our answer of 2x plus 1. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can catch me on my blog Mind Your Decisions or on Twitter at Presh Talwalkar. And also, if you like this video, I think you'll really like my video about how to multiply numbers by drawing lines. You should watch that video, and you can also check out the book that's on Amazon.com.